Good morning, arise and shine. It's like 5 in the morning. As you can see, it's dark behind me in the window. So we're gonna get straight into it. I gotta go to a baby shower that's like 3.5 hours away. Because I'm the makeup artist. And yeah, so I'm up early, moisturized. Now it's time to get into this hair so we can look decent because when you're the makeup artist, you gotta be cute because everyone's gonna be like, "Oh my god, who did your makeup? Who did your makeup?" And if you're gonna be at the event, they're gonna be looking at you, and if you look crazy, it's gonna be looking crazy. So we gotta be presentable. Also, the person who's having a baby is my cousin, so you gotta represent your family well. You know, she got church friends coming, her regular friends, work friends, other family members. You know what I'm saying? So got to get it together. My mom was going to be there. So I'm like, got to represent my mother as well. So we got to look cute. And duh, I'm just a girly girl. Like, I feel like I need to be cute for any event. Like, it's a baby shower for a girl. So it's like, I get to wear my favorite color. And it's used to wear pink. I'm down. So I'm like, I want to be super girly because it's a girl baby shower. Everything's going to be pink around us. And then I decided that I was going to wear pink as well. So I'm like, we're going for, my hair's not fresh. So I'm like, we're going to do a ponytail. So as you see here, I'm curling my ends because I think I'm going to give like a little Barbie vibe type of ponytail. Not too high, but yeah, you'll see in a second. So I'm just running the curling iron through thick pieces of hair just to make sure I have a little bit of body and movement when I go to put my hair in a ponytail. And yeah, so just wrap that thing around and then let it drop. And then we're gonna get right into the makeup. So I'm like, I really don't have time. I really don't want to do like a crazy extravagant eyes. So I kept it basic with nude shades. So I just used a soft brown. Then I went in with a deeper brown here. Then I decided to blend that out. And then I'm gonna go in with like a nude eyeshadow base. So not even doing really any color or anything like that. Went in with like a small tiny wing with a brown liner, like keeping it very simple on the face. Didn't want to get too crazy. Like I decided I wasn't even gonna wear lashes. Boom, get into the skin, little nose contour moments. Make sure she's snatched. Then I'm like, we need to make sure the concealer is good, but as you can see, I'm using a very minimal amount, like keeping the layers thin because I'm gonna have this makeup on all day. And when I mean all day, so this is at like 5, 6 in the morning, and then I didn't get home I think until 7:30, and had to make sure like my face was staying on the whole time. So just going in with my little blush moment, making sure it's super girly and pinky because duh. And I was like, okay, I feel like I still look like I'm asleep, so let me just add a little bit of brighter highlights and give Barbie moments. Then I'm just blending out everything with my foundation, but still keeping it kind of light because also it was going to be really hot today, like 83, but like a little humidity in the air. So it's like a whole lot of makeup on and it's hot. That would just irritate me. So we're keeping it light, but still full coverage at the same time. Because now I'm going in with my powder foundations from MAC Studio Fix. And I'm just setting on my highlighted areas. And I'm going to go in with the one that's my skin tone shade. And I'm going to set everything all over. Boom, right here. So now we just covering everything, packing that on with the fluffy brush, making sure that the face is still smooth and looks like we have makeup on, but not too crazy and heavy. But we need that coverage. That's why I love these powders. They're the best. Then I'm going to go on my little blush moment, make that pink pop. Then I'm going to like go in with some translucent powder and boom, the face is secured and good to go. Now we need to put these locks in a luscious ponytail. So now I'm just kind of figuring out where I want my bang to be, like, because I knew I wanted some sort of bang swoop something to add pizzazz. I didn't want just a regular ponytail. I feel like that would have took away from the look. So we're just brushing it back, getting it into place, making sure everything I want back there is in the right area. Hit the head with some setting spray, grab you a nice little bristle brush and slick that bad boy back. Make sure everything is in place. Then I'm checking to see like, okay, where's my ponytail at? It's not high enough for me, so I'm like, we gotta go back with the brush again, comb it a little bit higher. Then I'm slicking it down. I love this brush tool that I have, by the way, because it's double-sided. So like if you have bumps in your ponytail, you can take the comb side, comb the bumps out, and then it's like you don't have to use another tool. See, boom, right here. Like it's so convenient. So I'm just checking, make sure that it feels smooth everywhere, going in with the comb, then the brush, and making sure it's nice. And I'm checking the height to see how I feel about it. I typically wear my ponytail, my buns this high anyways, so that was feeling right to me. Going in with my little scrunchie and trying to be mindful that I don't mess up what I just did, combing the hair while I put my scrunchie in, because that is the worst. When you go to put your scrunchie in, then you feel all of these bumps that was not there before you put the scrunchie in. Like, girl, what is life? So yeah, I'm just checking, making sure. I'm like, all right, that feels good to me. At this point, the sun is up and I got to get moving on and get on the road. So now I'm just going in with my hairspray and securing the flyaways, brushing down any bumps with my little edge brush, making sure it is smooth. And that's just if the wind blows, my hair won't go all over the place. Because if I don't add hairspray, it's not going to stay slick. It'll start to raise up. Well, the flyaways anyways. And then I'm like, boom, check my little pink scrunchie out. Don't play with her. So now I'm like, okay, what do I do with this bang? Like, don't want to recurl it, and it's not giving. I need to be wearing it down. Also, didn't want it just hanging over my face. So I was like, this is going to go behind my ear. A little swoop moment, giving Aaliyah vibes. Like, I was checking myself out. Like, okay, she's cute. Now we got to put our earrings on. Checking and looking like, okay, got my lip liner on. Once I put this gloss on, I feel like it's all gonna come together. So boom, we went in with a pink gloss. Then on top of that, we decided to go in with a nude gloss just to add a little brightness to the lip. And okay, she's together, honey. Ready for the girl baby shower. Stop, this dress is adorable. I just feel like it's perfect for the vibes. And yeah, so I will see you in my next one. Bye.